The era of Reagan and H.G.W. Bush. Reagan's emergence as a nation's hero. Reagan was the voice of the modern conservative party. Prior to being the 40th President of the United States, President Reagan was a Hollywood actor. President Reagan was raised in a low-income family and could relate to people of all class. Ronald Reagan used diplomacy to shine light on important issues and events happening around the world. The election of 1980. Both George H.W. Bush and Ronald Reagan were running in the 1980s election. It was sometimes tense. Eventually, Bush threw in the towel and got behind Reagan with his support. Democratic opponent Carter was a tough competitor, and some considered Reagan and Carter's debate to be more of a shadow boxing rather than a serious discussion. When the votes were counted on November 4th, Reagan won by a landslide and was crowned the President of the United States. Some key events of the Reagan administration. From 1981 to 1989, the goal of Reagan's administration was to win the Cold War and to roll back on communism. Reagan imposed economic sanctions on Poland following the government's imposition of martial law. In 1981, President Reagan was shot in the chest, but luckily he made a quick recovery and got back to work. As well as 1981, Reagan declared that the United States will start to produce the B-1 bomber and MX missiles as part of the military's build-up stage. In 1983, the recession ended. The GNP showed significant growth in their first quarter. Minorities during Reagan's presidency. Unfortunately, Reagan did not support many civil rights bills throughout the years. He opposed the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Reagan did not consider himself a racist and dismissed any attacks aimed toward him. Reagan's tax cuts. Reagan's tax cuts is a common term you hear referring to all of the changes in the United States federal tax code. The first tax cut, the Economic Recovery Tax Act of 1981, did many things, but notably cut personal income tax at its highest rate from 70% to 50%, and from its lowest from 14 to 11%. Due to these tax cuts, household income grew 10%. Unemployment rate fell to 5.4%, unemployment rates fell to 5.4% from the previous 7.5%. In closing, President Ronald Reagan and Vice President Bush, in my opinion, are the most famous presidents in modern day time. Reagan as well as Bush are widely appreciated and respected amongst politicians and regular civilians alike. Reagan's tax cuts and deregulations made America the place to be.